Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Today I'll be collaborating with Let's Resin on this wireless UV light. Thank you Let's Resin for sending me this light. What a time saver this is, and it's cordless. I love it. Join our special membership. It's $1 and a dream. Join our special community and have your name here and get special perks. Who wouldn't want to see behind the scenes? I used this 2 weeks ago in that gorgeous Mardi Gras bottle. I'm sure you've seen it there. But this is a full review on it, and you're gonna love to see what this can do. This video was done prior to my Mardi Gras, so please don't be confused. I have not seen this before. So here I am, taking it out of the box. Whoops. Oh, nice and compact. Okay, I'm gonna just move this box out of the way. Now, just looking at the box, this does come in blue, purple, gray, green, and white. This is the model number. Battery life is 3 to 4 hours. Charging time, 3 to 4 hours. And here's some more information on that. What does catch my eye here is that it says do not look directly into the illuminated lamp. To wear some protective eyewear, and do not continually use the device for more than 30 minutes. That's all on the box. And of course this is a Let's Resin product, and you can get that at letsresin.com. And for a discount, I will leave my discount codes down below. Papers. Okay, so let's see what this says. Read the manual before you use it. So here's the full manual. It says adjust the lamp's bracket to the suitable height. Press the power button to start. Use the timing button 2, 3, or 5 minutes, and there's also a 20-minute. And then use your UV resin. This is for UV resin. Here is more information on the product structure and the button, and it shows you where you can charge and when it's fully charged. Lots of information here, and here's all your warnings and what type of USB cable it uses. It does come with the USB cable, and this is very different from a nail lamp, just so you understand. Put that up pretty high. Let's see if I can, from the bottom to the top. Yeah, so you can cure pretty high there. And we have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. And that last button is for 20 minutes. It says lighting, but it's 20 minutes. It says lighting. Let's shut it off. So this is perfect for what I'm going to be using it for today. And that is an open bezel necklace. I did see something very similar on Steve McDonald Arts and Crafts a few weeks ago, and I'll link his video down below in my description. I'll be taking off those little loops on the top. We won't be needing them. So watch closely. We're going to make a necklace out of this. Without using any jump rings. So enjoy the process, and let me see. I don't know what I'm going to really talk about yet, but I'm going to figure that out now. And I decided on something really special today, and that's talking about you, and that you matter. So here we are today, taking this special time and talking about you. Every single one of you brings something unique and irreplaceable into this space. Your creativity, your laughter, your kindness. It all ripples outward and touches people in ways you may never even realize. Art has a way of inspiring. One piece leads to another. A single idea sparks countless creations, and sometimes without knowing it, something you create will ignite passion in someone else. That's the beauty of creativity. It's a never-ending cycle of inspiration. And let's not forget the beauty of laughter and the power of laughter. Even when life feels heavy, laughter can lift us, even if it's just for a moment. Sometimes we laugh not because everything is perfect, but because we're embracing the joy in the journey of all our imperfections and all. Speaking of journeys, we must remember that everyone's creative path looks different. Some of us pour hours into our craft, filming, editing, sharing on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, or all the other social medias out there. And there are plenty. While others may only have 10 minutes to spare in a day. Some of us are here to grow a channel. Some of us just here to share our passion. Others simply to enjoy the process. And you know what? Every one of those paths are valid. No one is wrong. They're just different. You know, back in my PTA days, we used to say, it's not wrong, it's just different. And as we continue to support each other, let's also remember to respect the time and energy that each person is able to give. Life is busy. We have families, we have responsibilities and other commitments. So whether someone can join a premiere, leave a comment, or simply drop a like, let's appreciate their effort and not measure support in numbers, but in intention. Let's cheer for each other in whatever way we can celebrate the different goals we each have. So keep creating, keep laughing, and keep supporting. You matter. What you do matters. Together, let's continue to uplift one another, respect our differences, and share the joy of art. Embrace your journey, knowing that we're all here rooting for each other. Your story is still unfolding, and I'm glad to have you as part of this wonderful, creative community. Remember, time is our most precious resource, and how we choose to spend it defines the tapestry of our lives. Every minute you dedicate to your art, to supporting each other, or simply being part of this community adds an immeasurable value to our collective journey. Let's cherish these moments, whether they are hours spent in deep creation or a few minutes enjoying each other's work. Every second counts, and so do you. Thank you for sharing your time and your creativity with us. Remember, time is our most precious resource, and how we choose to spend it defines the tapestry of our lives. If you enjoy being a part of our community and want to get even closer, consider joining our membership. It's $1 and a dream. Members enjoy little perks like special badges, unique emojis in our chats, and a little bit more behind the scenes. Your support helps keep our community thriving and creative. A huge thank you to all our subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment and hit that bell when you do subscribe. You won't want to miss any of our amazing content. I want to give a special thanks and shout out to Let's Resin for sending over this wireless UV light. I absolutely love it. Its portability and the ability to cure large areas without restrictions makes it a game changer. If you missed Creations with Allison, she was directly in front of me. I'll leave you a link to her video. And look what's coming in May. 30 amazing creators. Hello, my fellow Galaxy Explorers. This year, our annual May the 4th Be With You celebration is boldly going where no fan has gone before. That's right, we're combining the force of Star Wars with the wisdom of Star Trek in a spectacular crossover event. May the 4th Be With You meets Live Long and Prosper. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, live long and prosper, and may the 4th be with you. See you soon. Please join us this May for this crossover event. This is an Art by Donna collaboration.